Hammertime!
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video at Hammertime. Today we're going to be rebuilding the whole roof section of my shop, which previously was at this level here. It sunk down a ton because I had no braces, which, I don't know. I built it a few months ago and realized that I didn't put enough braces on it, or any, really, so I had to rebuild that. So, today I'm going to show you how I rebuilt this entire section, raised it up an entire foot, and I mainly did the construction of the raising part with 2x12s, so I have to admit that was extremely hard. So, let's rewind a little bit and look at how it looked at first. Since I have no way to redo the roof and film at the same time, I'm going to have to do it before and after pictures. So overall, I'm really pleased and really happy about how well this whole thing turned out. There was a few minor errors I made during it, and I just corrected those off camera, but as you know, might notice during the video, I only filmed me putting up this big 2x12 and that big 2x12. That was the only reason for that. Was this one there was no filming angle that was possible, and then on the other one, same thing. I just could not film them. And then the roof, I had two options. It was a very windy day, and I could put it on top of my house, my parents' house roof, and film it from there, which was very, very sketchy. Or just not film it, or use a GoPro on my head or something. And those just were not options. So I'm really sorry I could not film those. Okay, so back to this. This really turned out nice. Really opened up the shop. And I also added these lights in here, these fluorescent lights that plan to upgrade the LED, but they really brightened up the space. So that's big plus there. And then during the build, as you might have noticed, I used the Milwaukee 2590-22 hammer drill and impact driver kit for the entire build, and I did not use any other power tools because I don't have a miter saw or anything. I just used the hand saw, so these are the only power tools I used, and they worked very well. Big thanks to Milwaukee for partnering with Hammertime Woodworks and sending these tools for my review, which I'll leave a link to down the description below, and sending these tools for this project with big help. I really like these tools. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased all the materials for the roof with my own money, and they just sent me these tools, so big thanks to Milwaukee. Check out their tools. They have awesome tools. I'll leave a link to them in the description below. Before I end this, I would really like to thank Jay Bates, Nick Ferry, April Wilkerson, and Crafted Workshop, Johnny Brooke from Crafted Workshop, for inspiring me to start creating my own woodworking videos, which I watch their videos very often. They make great channels. I'll leave links to all of them down in the description below. I really like their videos. I watch them so often. It's crazy. Every time they put a new one out, I'm waiting by the hour, waiting for them to put them out. I started woodworking as a school project, so when I started watching their videos to learn how to do stuff, I was like, I want to start creating some of these for myself. And then my grandpa, both my grandpas actually been teaching me woodworking for the past few years, and I started upping my skills a little bit, so I could finally start building this shop, and the roof here, which really nice. Thank you all of them. Check out all the woodworkers channels. I'll leave links to all of them in the description below. And I plan to be putting out a video on painting the shop when it's not raining, because right now, if you haven't noticed, it is raining. So when it's not raining, I'll put out a video. So until next time, happy building.